A blessed morning, everyone, for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 5, verse 25 to 27. And Methuselah lived 187 years and begat Lamech. And Methuselah lived, after he begat Lamech, 782 years and begat sons and daughters. All the days of Methuselah were 969 years and he died. So just like the ancestors of Methuselah, also Methuselah also followed the footsteps of his ancestors, just like his grandfather and his father in serving the Lord. That's why he too do live a long life. So so became their family tradition and speaking part of their nature, serving the Lord. And of course, it happened because the grandfather and the father, and they are serving the Lord, and the younger ones are imitating their grandfather or their father. So it became a culture, and sooner or later, maybe your sons and daughters will also imitate you in serving the Lord. Whatever happened, serve the Lord.